The latest product of the Deep Camera Group from Science has been designed to introduce the newest way of dealing with your imaging and video pipelines. With the support of Science Robotics Group here we have prepared a sneak peek of Dgistreamer's key features and functionalities. Dgistreamer allows you to easily develop and deploy your very own pipelines. To construct one from scratch you just need to select the different building blocks, or nodes, that correspond to each specific stage of your pipeline. Alternatively, you can easily upload an existing one from a file, where you have all your stages already mapped out, making it ready for deployment. Once your pipeline is assembled, you can remotely connect to any device of your choice and deploy it. All you need to do is type out your device's IP and you're ready to go. When we say that it can work with any device, we really mean it. It can even work with a four-legged robot dog. Our robot is in fact a unitree robotic device that uses an AI-powered smart camera to see its surrounding, and it can communicate them back to the user in real time. From the POV of the robot you can see how this device perceived its environment. By deploying a simple human detection pipeline using this tool, our robot can now see its surroundings but also identify the humans around it. The most appealing part of our product is that it provides all the necessary control and support to the user to carry out their intended task, but with a full remote flexibility. So what you are actually seeing now is another demonstration of how the robot can be used as a remote device to deploy your custom pipelines from your workstation and retrieve back the robot's feed. The fact that the robot's POV and the camera that is filming it are truly synchronized, confirms that everything is also happening in real time. On behalf of Deep Camera and Lear, thank you for watching our demonstration. This work has been partially supported by the EU and the Government of the Republic of Cyprus.